National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Ocean County in southern New Jersey, east central Burlington County in southern New Jersey until 7:30 p.m. At 6:26 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Warren Grove, or 18 miles southwest of Toms River, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. At 6:09 p.m., a 65 miles per hour wind gust was reported by the Ship Bottom Meteornet weather station. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations of Texas include Armageddon, Tuckerton, Surf City, Brookville, Warren Grove, Penn State Forest, Beach Haven West, Bonahawken, Ocean Acres, and Waretown. This includes Garden State Parkway between mile markers 57 and 73. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Frequent cloudy ground lightning is occurring with this storm, and the storm will affect the beaches. For your safety, immediately move off the beach and seek shelter indoors. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued.